Good morning. It's 11:30. Woke up at 10:45. I quickly turned and saw her on her pillow. I was worried. I remembered last night I gave her food, right? What time was it? About 3:30. I managed to go back to sleep. Must have been about 4:30. Oh, slept so long. Making up for last night and night before. Must go to doctors. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Just made my coffee. I washed up a bowl from last night and then wiped the kitchen floor. Oh, my back. Just made my coffee. Thought I'd talk to you before I sit down and enjoy it. It's Thursday. Oh, what? Good. Go to doctors. Give her the jagung. Jagung is gone. Give her the jagung. Give Yopin his bag. Then we must go to Tesco. Buy more of that. She was having chicken liver. Just gave her more chicken liver. Surprised that she really likes it. You were right again. Gave her 3 pieces of chicken liver. Okay, I go and have my coffee. That's the plan. Doctors and then Tesco. Oh, to Tesco because I was telling doctor that day, the marinade, the ayam goreng belada. Not belada lah, berempah. Rempah means spices. Ayam chicken goreng is fried. Was really, really nice. I told Linda. Okay, go and get more of that. Marinate the packet, get some chicken, fry, and then give doctor and Yopin some to try. Okay? I put more drops for her last night and I ordered another one. Give her a bath. This weather. Yeah, how? Okay, yeah. Okay, finish. I finished. I am stepping away. My hands up in the air. Do not shoot. Okay, I talk to you later. I think I'll say good night to you. It's late. Hi. Say I love you. No, nothing. Bye.